National Kabaddi champion Rohit Chillar, who was arrested in Mumbai on Friday, 3 days after his wife Lalita hanged herself at their Delhi home alleging dowry harassment. He's spoken out about the charges against him. He has denied the charges outrightly, and Rohit claims that this wasn't the first time that she tried to kill herself. Listen in.
दहेज के लिए इस तरह से शादी होती है क्या?
आपका कहना है कि आपने कभी दहेज की मांग आपने या परिवार ने नहीं की?
कभी नहीं की, ना मुझे ज़रूरत। ये खुद सुन के आश्चर्य हो रहा है कि ऐसा सब कुछ उसने ऑडियो में अपनी में बताया, और मुझे नहीं लगता ये उसने खुद अपनी मर्जी से किया होगा। क्या पता किसके दबाव में आके ऐसा कुछ बोला है। 2 बार पहले भी वो ऐसा कर चुकी है,
खुदकुशी की कोशिश कर चुकी है
वो। और वो क्यों? क्योंकि मैं प्रैक्टिस जाता था, उसके लिए मना करती थी। अगर मैं जाऊं तो बोलती थी कि मैं मर जाऊंगी। घर पे भी बताया है, एक बार उसने खुद फांसी लगाने की कोशिश की है। उस टाइम भी घर पे बताया, वो बोला कि ये मुझे नहीं पता, तुम्हारे बीच की बात है, अपना खुद ही देखो। तो मुझे ये अब भी नहीं लग रहा कि वो चली गई है, क्योंकि बहुत प्यार था मैं उससे। और उनके घर में वो 20-25 दिन से रह रही है। मुझे नहीं पता उनके घर का हालात क्या थे, उनके माँ बाप उसको क्या बोलते थे, क्या धमकाते थे, या प्रेशर में किस चीज़ में हो गए उसने ऐसा किया, कदम उठाया।
Let's go across to Puneet Sharma joining us on the phone lines with more details. Startling revelations being made by Rohit Chillar there, Puneet. He stated, of course, that Lalita has tried to kill herself in the past as well, but he's questioned the authenticity of the audio tape as well that's now doing the rounds on social media.
Look, Rohit has given an exclusive interview to India Today, and he has questioned that the audio tape, there should be something suspense behind this. Actually, he said that his wife tried to committed suicide before 2 times also, and he tried to hang herself also, and she used to blame her, and she used to blackmail him. She wanted that Rohit should not go away from her, and if he goes, she would commit suicide, and finally she committed suicide. Rohit is saying he and his family is quite innocent, and there is no involvement of abatement in this suicide matter. Now Rohit and his family is accused in this suicide case, and Rohit again raised the question on the audio and the suicide note also. He's saying that there must be something behind this, and there is a conspiracy against him and his family. He also said that police should not do something wrong with his family, and his wife was his wife used to love him, and he also used to love her, and why she committed suicide, this is a very big question on this. Now Rohit is in police custody now.
All right, Puneet, thanks for joining us with those details. Rohit Chillar speaking exclusively to India Today, crying conspiracy, saying that the audio tape that's now doing the rounds is invalid, and he claims that this is a conspiracy against him and his family. We'll continue tracking that story for the latest.